Hey everybody, day number 5. Wow, we're really getting along there. So you have 4 shapes now. You have the simple circle, you have the teardrop petal, you have the curved petal, and you have the diamond leaf. And today we're going to take that diamond leaf and do what we did with the petal. We're going to add a wave into it. Again, this will give it more of an organic look, a more of a unique hand-drawn look, and will help you fit it into your design. So let's take that diamond shape and let's add a little bit of flair to it by putting a wave into it. So grab your pen and pencil and print out your worksheet. Let's get going. With worksheet number 5 printed out and ready to go and our pen and pencil in our hand, what do we have to offer for today? Well, as we always do, we're starting with our basic shape on the first line, the wavy leaf. Here I have the diamond leaf to show you what we're working from. Then we're going to add a wave to it. So we have the point at the top and the bottom, but it's like we've tilted the axis on its side a little bit. So now we have an S curve going down each side of the leaf, and it creates a wavy leaf pattern. I have a bunch of them up here that you can trace to get the feel for this. So now let's put this wavy leaf into a flower design. So the first one here, we don't have them touching at all. They're kind of floating in space. And in this one, we've added a circle in that they're touching. So trace these ones out so you can get a feel for them. Again, I'm keeping the paper straight so you can see what I'm doing. And it's good practice to learn how to do them in all directions, but I really do like rotating my paper as I go. So there we have the ones that are floating in space, and you can also try the ones around the circle. Now we're going to stack and overlap our wavy leaves just like we did with the petals. We make them different sizes and we keep them flowing in the same direction. What I love about the curved petal and the wavy leaf is that their shapes are very flowing, and they can shape and flow around each other when you're working a design. They're easier to fit into the space that you require them to be in. I say that it makes them a little more of a flexible design element. So here I have them overlapping each other. So I create a wavy leaf to start with, and then the ones that I work next will kind of fall behind it. So you won't see the entire leaf again, you'll just see it peeking out from behind. And then the last thing we're going to do with these wavy leaves on the worksheet is to put them on a stem, just like we did with our diamond leaf pattern. So we draw in our stem, which is just a simple curved line, and then we add our wavy leaves onto it. Here again, I have the wavy leaves touching the stem. Another design possibility is to have them floating up in space as well. So add them wherever you want. I find that I prefer them large at the bottom and smaller as you get to the top, but it's personal preference and it depends on what you're going for. So now you have lots of ideas to work on with the wavy leaves, so go ahead and pull out your sketchbook and see what you can come up with and combine it with the other shapes that we've worked on as well. Tomorrow we are going to do our final shape, so we'll see you there.